All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers who are listening and watching. You are literally the unsung heroes of the household. No question about it. Um, Yours is a thankless job, but on behalf of all the unappreciative kids and husbands out there, I will thank you. Okay, so with that said, didn't tune in to hear my salutations. Let's talk about PDD Holdings. Now, one of the companies in their holdings is Temu, and I've bought stuff on Temu before, and it's just temu.com, and they sell some pretty cheap crap there. But it's all really, really inexpensive. They sell some good stuff there too. I could have got a Bobby Boucher Waterboy jersey there, looked like pretty good quality for $9. I passed on it because at 66 years old, I just didn't feel like walking around wearing a Bobby Boucher Waterboy jersey. So, but it's good there. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, Temu's your place. The point is, though, that company's doing really, really well. I noticed there's a write-up on it in IBD about how PDD Holdings, Temu, they're talking about, could be a threat to Amazon. Now, I don't know about that. Everybody seems to be a threat to Amazon or Google or Microsoft or Meta, and somehow it just never quite pans out. But still, it led me back to here, and this is why. We see this stock trading, and it's pretty choppy. But if you really wanted to break it down into formations that kind of matter, I can do it. You can see here, it's kind of a nice little cup, little handle. And then you see the thing spikes up here, right? Then what's it do? And all above the 50-day moving average, by the way. And then what's it do? It pulls back, pinches, hits the 200-day moving average, and now it's running up again. And I look at this type of thing, and it just kind of makes sense to me that this stock is going higher. So then I went over and looked at Market Smith, or as they call it now, Market Surge. And I don't care about the chart. I've already seen that. But I look at the fundamentals on the earnings, the sales, and the pre-tax margins. Blue is good. Positive numbers, pluses are good. And so all we see are plusy, bluey numbers here. So we've got nice quarterly year-over-year earnings growth on the top line here. Sales or revenues, nice quarterly earnings growth, accelerating bigly. And then on the pre-tax margin, all in the 30s. Okay, so this is a really, really good chart for fundamentals as well as technicals. Weekly chart also looks pretty good. This green hash mark line here is earnings. And so you can see how earnings just continue to run higher. So I would certainly expect this, at least right now, to also continue to go higher. So frankly, I think your trade on this would probably be a breakout here. You're not really giving up that much in profit by just waiting for the stock to come up here. You could, if you want, if you were really eager beaver, take a partial position here, but here's the challenge there. The stock could easily come down and test the 50. Easily do that. Now, it could also run up here to a new high. We just don't know. We do know earnings are in 2 weeks, 14 days. So my suggestion is watch this stock, watch it like a hawk, check it out every day. And my bet is that you're going to get a pretty darn good trade on this. Okay. So that's all I got for you. Hope you all had a good week. Have a good weekend. And just remember, man, that whole sell in May and go away thing, it's not really working out this year. So you don't need to be selling in May and going away. I'm not talking about going all in, but I'm talking about staying in the game because it's a good game. We can be making money. So why don't we just go do that?